For super quick mayonnaise, we need 1 whole egg, which we can crack straight into our container. We want a teaspoon of mustard. We've got a lemon. We want around about a tablespoon of lemon juice. And then 240 millilitres of oil. And that can all go into our jug all together. And then we take our stick blender, make sure that it's submerged all the way down to the bottom. And then as we blend, we're going to slowly draw the stick blender up through the oil and it'll emulsify into our beautiful, quick mayonnaise. And that's how quick it is. So here we've got a really quick, really easy mayonnaise.